A number transfer, or port, moves your phone number from your old carrier to T-Mobile. Sometimes this process gets stuck, leaving you without service on either provider. Common reasons include incorrect account information, such as billing address or PIN. Fraud prevention measures can also cause delays. Technical issues during the transfer between carriers are another factor. Additionally, integrations with prepaid brands or high-volume porting periods can lead to delays. According to FCC data from Q1 2026, T-Mobile has made improvements, but stuck transfers still happen. The number porting process involves transferring your phone number from one carrier to another, such as from Verizon to T-Mobile. This standardized process ensures your number moves seamlessly while maintaining service continuity. Step 1. You authorize the transfer with your old carrier, like Verizon, by providing necessary details through T-Mobile's system. This includes account verification and consent. Step 2. T-Mobile submits your porting request to a neutral clearinghouse, such as Somos, which coordinates between carriers to ensure data accuracy and compliance. Step 3. Both your old and new carriers process and validate the request, checking for any issues and preparing for the transfer. Step 4. Once approved, your number is deactivated from the old carrier and activated on T-Mobile's network, completing the port. A stuck transfer means the process has stalled at one of these stages. Common causes include mismatched data like incorrect billing addresses, fraud prevention flags requiring additional verification, or system overload during high-volume periods. Understanding this process helps you pinpoint where the issue might have occurred and take appropriate action. If the online check doesn't resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile customer support. They can investigate the status of your transfer and identify any specific roadblocks. It's also a good idea to contact your previous carrier to confirm they've released the number and that there are no outstanding issues on their end. Keep records of all conversations, including dates, times, and representative names. T-Mobile introduced the Porting Guardian app feature in late 2025 to help users with number transfers. The feature monitors port requests in real time, using analytics to detect common problems like data mismatches or verification errors. In the T-Mobile app, the Porting Guardian provides alerts about issues and prompts for corrections, such as re-verifying your account details. If an issue is detected, you'll receive notifications guiding you to fix it yourself, like updating billing information or confirming your PIN. This self-service approach helps resolve most issues quickly, reducing the need for support calls. The Porting Guardian is now active for most port requests, helping T-Mobile users complete transfers more efficiently. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and your number transfer remains stuck for more than 48 hours, as mandated by the FCC's 2025 Porting Improvement Order, you can escalate the issue to the Federal Communications Commission. Filing a complaint with the FCC can prompt T-Mobile to prioritize your case and resolve the issue more quickly. To prevent number transfer issues with T-Mobile, avoid these common mistakes that can cause delays or stuck transfers. First, ensure all account information is accurate and up to date. Common issues include mismatched billing addresses or incorrect IMEI and SIM card details. These data mismatches are a leading cause of stuck transfers. Second, avoid canceling your service with your previous carrier until the transfer is complete. Premature cancellation can interrupt the porting process and cause it to fail. Third, respond promptly to any requests for additional information from either carrier. This includes verification codes, two-factor authentication, or biometric checks, which are required under enhanced fraud prevention protocols. Fourth, try to avoid porting during high-volume periods, such as during major sporting events or holidays, when carrier systems can become overloaded and lead to queue freezes or delays. Finally, avoid switching devices or SIM cards mid-transfer. Doing so can create compatibility issues with carrier systems and interrupt the porting process. In summary, by avoiding these common mistakes, such as inaccurate information, premature cancellations, ignoring verification requests, porting during peak times, and switching devices, you can significantly reduce the risk of a stuck transfer and ensure a smoother porting process. The future of number porting is moving toward automation and seamless transfers. AI-powered chatbots are increasingly handling porting issues, providing quick and accurate assistance to users. Blockchain-based verification is being explored to prevent fraud and ensure secure porting processes. Experts predict near-instant porting in the future, enabled by advanced networks and unified carrier databases. T-Mobile's investments in these technologies aim to improve the porting experience and reduce delays. Overall, the future looks bright for number porting with these advancements.